In this video, we are going to solve for you an example from chapter 5. Remember, chapter 5 is talking about integrals, indefinite integrals and definite integrals. The question that we are going to answer today is asking you to evaluate the indefinite integral for x squared plus 1 divided by the cubic root of x cubed plus 3x minus 16d of x. To evaluate such an integrations like this one, then you are going to think about a technique of using the u substitution. But how we are going to choose your u? Well, the next one is going to be let u is equivalent to x cubed plus 3x minus 16. Then the derivative here is going to be equivalent to 3x squared plus 3d of x. You could take the 3 as a common factor, and your derivative is going to be 3 multiplied by x squared plus 1 times d of x. Now remember, part of this derivative you already have in your integral. X squared plus 1 times d of x is already exists there. You're only missing the constant 3, but that's not a big deal. You could multiply and divide by the constant 3. Therefore, that means your integral is going to be equivalent to 1/3 outside the integral, then the integration of 3x squared plus 1 divided by the cubic root of x cubed plus 3x minus 16d of x. Now remember that only the thing that you introduce is the 3. You divide it and multiply by the 3. So now you have your form is ready for you to substitute everything in terms of the new variable u. This is equivalent to 1/3 the integrations of du divided by the cubic root of u. Now to find what is the antiderivative for this one, then we are going to use the power rule here. So the antiderivative is going to be 1/3 times u to the power minus 1/3 plus 1 divided by the new power, which is minus 1/3 plus 1, plus the constant of integration, c. Please don't forget the constant of integration. Now you could simplify this expression a little bit, and you could cancel out the 3 here, because your denominator is going to be 2/3, and you already have 1/3 multiplied by your expression, so you could cancel the 3 out, and you end up with 1/2 times u to the power 2/3 plus c. Remember, you are solving your integrations for the variable x, not u. You're only using the u to rewrite your expression to make it easier for you to find what is the antiderivative. So substitute back the value of u in terms of x, which is going to be equivalent to half of x cubed plus 3x minus 16 to the power 2/3, plus the constant of integration c. Now, if you understand this example and the solutions that we provided, think about the following question. The following question is asking you to evaluate a similar indefinite integral for x squared plus 1 divided by x cubed plus 3x minus 16d of x. The only difference between the two integrals that we're solving is going to be the cubic root in the denominator. Well, if you are using the same u substitution that we had here, then are you going to get a similar result like what we have, or you are going to get something different? Well, think about it, try to do it yourself, practice it, and notice what is the answer is going to be. Good luck. I hope you enjoyed your video and you find it useful for you. See you in other more videos and other examples from different chapters.